Good morning, Chip here with Hybrid and Electric Car Sales in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. The sun is shining. We're about 50 degrees today, so definitely wonderful. Wanted to talk about this car here. I drove this over the weekend. This is a 2021 Kia Niro EV EX Premium SUV. So this is the first full electric SUV that we've had here at Hybrid Electric Car Sales since we've been open. These have historically been super expensive to get your hands on, but I was able to get one at a fantastic price, brought it here, and we'll go over all that, but I wanted to do a video about it. I drove it this weekend. It was an awesome car. My kids loved it, had a lot of space, so here we are. So here it is. This is the top trim level available for this car. 236 miles of full electric range. As you can see, it is a smaller SUV. You're gonna have 4 doors and you're gonna have the hatch in the back with plenty of storage. This is a 2021 model with only 14,900 miles on it, so it's a one-owner car. The original owner who purchased it could no longer afford the payment, and they sold it back to the dealership that they purchased it from, at which point I bought it from them. So just a year old, low mileage, 226 mile range, and as you can see walking around it, it still shows as a brand new car. This is the charging port here in the front, which I definitely like. You have your standard level 2 J head there, and this car also has the DC fast charging option. So this car could charge in about, I think it's about 30 minutes to 80%. You got some nice blue accents down here. Definitely on the grill too, but it is a good looking car. Plenty of storage all around it. You know, tires are like new. Everything on this car is like new, you know, it's in fantastic shape. So that's kind of coming around the back. This is loaded with all the safety features and everything, but let me show you in the hatch area real quick. So you do have all your floor mats, and it does come with both keys. It's hard to do with one hand. And the at-home charger. That is a level 1 charger. We do recommend that if you're going to have an electric car and be driving it every day, that you get a level 2. So we'll take you inside the car and go from there. All right, so let's take you inside the car, get it started up. So coming in to begin with, it is an EX Premium, so that gives you the leather interior. You also have these beautiful blue accents kind of in the seats. It gives it a really cool effect. You also have this unique trim through here that also continues that blue with that stitching. So premium interior for sure. You have a sunroof up there. Again, power seats, heated seats, ventilated seats, all the safety features, Harman Kardon Premium Sound system throughout. So let's get in, let's start it up. All right. So here's the big nav screen. It is touch screen. You have all of your features in here, all of your charging options. There's the radio. Coming down here, it is a twist to put it in drive, reverse. You also have your heated and ventilated seats. All of your parking options, drive mode options, wireless charger, 12-volt USB, even a USB-C. So just the features go on and on and on. The nav, I gotta say, they did a really good job with the nav in here with how it works and all the things that they point out. I like it. The reverse camera is very good, parking sensors. So you got a lot going on there. And then, like I said, 14,900 miles on the car. We got 183 miles of range. We're about 80% right now. So, you know, 226 is definitely possible. You have blind spot, you have lane departure warning, you have active radar-based cruise control, lane diversion. This will keep you, this is all the cameras and everything up here. This will keep you in the lane. It's essentially autopilot. That's essentially what it is. Maybe not as good as Tesla's, but it will still keep you in the lane and keep you going down. Again, coming into the back seats, you can kind of see that blue a little bit better, but it's a black interior. Like I said, it's just an accent color that they have. Again, no flaws on the interior, loaded with all the equipment. So here's the other thing I want to show you, and take the chance to pause it. This is the original window sticker. Okay, that's all the features that are on the car. These are the options for the EX Premium, and as you can see, all the upgrades that it gets. Navigation-based smart cruise control with curve assist, on and on and on. And then there are all your standard features. As you can see, this car was originally $45,980, and then the dealer addendum added another $5,000 in junk to this. Dealer installed subtotal $51,000 is what this customer paid. And what are we offering this car for? 1 year old, $36,900. All right, so you can save $15,000, $14,000 off the price of a brand new one. Yes, I know you get the tax credit, but the prices of these have gone up. So essentially you're saving $8,000 or $9,000 for a 1-year-old car. And in today's market right now, and prices have come down, that's why this is at the price that it's at. This is a great deal for somebody. So just wanted to kind of show you what it originally cost. Check us out here at Hybrid and Electric Car Sales in beautiful Franklin, Tennessee. This one's hitting the lot today. Beautiful car. So check us out, hybridelectriccarsales.com. Thanks.